Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a cute ice cream. Here I am drawing beautiful scoop ice cream. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I finished to draw the ice cream. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here brush pen color. First one I'm using red color. And now I'm using deep blue color. And now I'm using deep pink color. And this is light blue color. This is yellow color. This is called light green color. Here I am using purple color. Now I am using deep green color. Here I am using turquoise color. And the last one I am using black color.